So we know the history of automatas for Jacques Redreau, and now you've just come out with a new automata of the 21st century, no?
Yeah, but that's actually our Charlie that is here presenting what Jacques Redreau really is about today, the watches, and we also have an automata, a new one that is inside the watch, so a little bit smaller than him, but that was always part of the history of Jacques Redreau, to provoke and to surprise people a little bit.
So does that mean that you're going to do new automatas again?
Yeah, but in a different way, smaller and much closer to watches, or inside the watches. So a lot of fun to do this, and a lot of new ideas that force you to think out of the box that you don't realize you are in.
We saw indeed the kind of crazy, charming bird watch. What was the response for this watch so far?
Fantastic, almost too good, so problem to follow up and trying to produce what we can. Highly complicated, but fantastic. And I think the products for the future are there, the market is there. It's something that is very special, very niche, but highly appreciated by collectors.
And is it collectors from all over the world that are interested in such a piece?
Yeah, actually I have to say, okay, we definitely have the Asian market, Middle East, but it's all over the world that we have interest, and we have pieces that are on order.
What's the development time for such a piece?
Oh, we're talking 3, 4, 5 years if everything goes well.
And you had some surprises?
Yes, like always. But actually less than we were afraid of, so it works quite well now.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time.